Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to make your website type appear as a blog on the LinkedIn app for PC with the latest update. If you've been looking to update your profile and highlight your blog properly, this guide will help you do it in just a few clicks. First, open the LinkedIn app on your computer. Once you're inside, look at the top right corner of the screen and click on the Me icon. This is the place where all your key profile settings and preferences are stored. Next, head into Settings and Privacy. From there, choose the section called Account Preferences. This is where you'll be able to adjust the finer details of how your profile appears to others. Inside the Account Preferences area, scroll down to find the option labeled Profile Information. Under this section, select Name, Location, and Industry. This part allows you to review the basic details of your profile before moving on to your contact information. Now, look for contact information. Once you see it, click on Edit Contact Info. This is the section that lets you manage the links and details you've added about yourself. Things like websites, emails, and other key contact points. Here comes the important part. Locate the website you want to adjust. By default, LinkedIn lets you define the type of website you're linking. From the drop-down options, select Blog as the website type. This ensures that anyone browsing your profile understands that your link is pointing directly to a blog, rather than to just any general website. Once you've selected Blog, make sure to confirm the change by clicking Save. This step is crucial because nothing changes until you lock it in, and that's it. You've successfully updated your website type to show as a blog on the LinkedIn app using your PC. This small but useful adjustment helps showcase your content more clearly and makes your profile stand out in a professional way. If you found this guide helpful, take a moment to update your LinkedIn profile and make sure your blog gets the visibility it deserves.